The story of how Toyota went from being a small business to a worldwide symbol of quality and greatness is an inspiring one. From its prestigious Japanese roots, Toyota has grown to become one of the most respected companies in the world's auto industry, earning a lot of respect and love. When Toyota makes cars, whether they're sedans, SUVs, sports cars, or classic gems, their dedication to making the best products is as clear as day. The first generation Toyota Sequoia came out in 2001. Over the years, the Sequoia has stayed very similar to the Toyota Tundra pickup. This has helped it compete with popular SUVs like the Chevrolet Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and Ford Expedition. Prior to the second generation Sequoia's introduction in 2008, it served for 7 years. The second generation Sequoia remained in production for almost 7 years, which is unusual. To make the third generation of the Sequoia, Toyota got rid of the V8 engine and added a gasoline-electric hybrid model for the first time. The third and most recent generation of the Toyota Sequoia hybrid is currently in production. Following less than 2 decades of superior craftsmanship, Toyota intends to offer the Sequoia hybrid in 5 distinct trim levels. An eagerly anticipated overhaul and much-needed update have been made to the most recent iteration of the Toyota Sequoia. With a basic price of $60,875 and higher trim levels up to nearly $75,000, the Toyota Sequoia hybrid will be available in the SR5 trim level. The 2024 Toyota Sequoia hybrid will come in 5 trim levels, with costs varied according to the trim level, and available with both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive powertrains. There are many options available with the third-generation Sequoia, with various trim options catered to different packages. Having the 2024 Sequoia hybrid at your disposal has made towing considerably more feasible, even though for many drivers it can still be a deal-breaker. Superior towing power is available with the Tow Tech package, which is standard on the TRD Pro and Capstone trims and available as an option on all other trims. The 2024 Sequoia hybrid has a maximum cargo capacity of 9,520 pounds, and is propelled by Toyota's iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine. With unparalleled towing capability among other features, the majority of manufacturers are now more focused than ever on creating an SUV that meets the demands of the typical consumer. In other words, the Sequoia hybrid's 9,520 pound towing capacity will be more than plenty for all of your camping excursions and vacations, as it can tow a small boat or a caravan. Modern engineering makes the 2024 Toyota Sequoia hybrid stand out. Materials that are both strong and lightweight are used to build its frame. Ensuring longevity and safety, the ultra-durable steel cabin is firmly fastened to a fully boxed, high-strength steel ladder structure. With an amazing array of technologically advanced features like load-leveling rear height, control air suspension, multi-terrain select, downhill assist control, crawl control, rear differential, and more, the Sequoia hybrid proves to be a valuable option for off-road enthusiasts. The highest level of off-road capability is provided with the TRD Pro trim. The greatest hybrid car that is as tough as the outdoors is the TRD Pro, which comes equipped with aluminum front skid plate, hill descent control, and Fox internal bypass shocks that have been optimized for TRD use. Families who require space, whether it be for kids, cargo, or both, may choose the Toyota Sequoia hybrid. The SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, and the brand new Capstone Grade are among the 5 different trim levels available. The 8-seater Toyota Sequoia hybrid is a spacious SUV with 3 rows of seats. The Sequoia hybrid becomes a light-filled, spacious haven when the optional panoramic sunroof lets in natural light. In addition, you can choose to have seats in the first and second rows that are heated and ventilated. When all seats are folded down, the load capacity of the Toyota Sequoia hybrid is 22.3 cubic feet, but it can reach an impressive 86.9 cubic feet if the third row seats are folded down. The Sequoia hybrid has a state-of-the-art 14-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen system embedded in the dash that includes dual Bluetooth and Drive Connect capabilities. There are 120-volt AC power outlets in the rear cargo area and cabin, in addition to the Qi wireless charging system, which provides quick on-the-go charging for power demands. The premium JBL Premium Audio sound system, featuring 14 speakers, provides excellent entertainment. To enhance Wi-Fi Connect, The 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid also features wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. The Sequoia Hybrid achieves unprecedented levels of technological innovation and sophistication thanks to these state-of-the-art technology. With its remarkable combination of refinement and toughness, the Toyota Sequoia Hybrid commands attention as it drives around the block. Its striking details set it apart from the pack, adding to its commanding and powerful presence. The massive chrome-wrapped front grille elevates the front appearance to a new level of sophistication when combined with auto-leveling headlamps, a silver skid plate, and functional air vents. The Sequoia Hybrid's impressive appearance is further enhanced by the tasteful design of its roomy 22-inch alloy wheels, which also lend a hint of luxury. Fuel efficiency figures for the Toyota Sequoia Hybrid, which is available in both two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive models, are respectable thanks to its iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine. In addition to the 450 miles of range offered by the all-wheel drive model, the 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid's two-wheel drive option gains an additional 45 miles. When it comes to combined city and highway driving, the 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid with the two-wheel drive drivetrain is expected to achieve an EPA-estimated fuel economy of 22, 21, 24 miles per gallon, while the model with the all-wheel drive drivetrain is expected to achieve 20, 19, 22 miles per gallon. These figures might not seem impressive to most, yet they work out to be plenty for all of your regular commutes and drives. The powertrain of the 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid is the main attraction. The 10-speed automatic transmission and a twin-turbo 3.4-litre V6 engine are combined to form the iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, which sits under the hood. This configuration yields 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque from the Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. As reported by Car and Driver, the 2024 Sequoia Hybrid can reach 60 miles per hour in under 5.6 seconds. In light of the impending release of the Toyota Century SUV, the 2024 Sequoia Hybrid is a testament to Toyota's ability to build very strong, capacious, and comfortable cars. The 2024 Sequoia Hybrid is focused on achieving the highest safety ratings possible. With cutting-edge features including a pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, and more, all incorporated into the all-encompassing safety system known as Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. Even though the NHTSA and IIHS haven't given the 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid a rating, Toyota is demonstrating its dedication to having yet another of its cores named the Safety King with the release of the 2024 Sequoia Hybrid. Key safety features include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and lane tracing assist. The versatile drive mode select function of the Sequoia Hybrid enhances its performance. The Sequoia Hybrid, which is designed to accommodate various driving situations, comes with Eco, Normal, and Sport modes as standard for both configurations in every trim level. All two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations include standard amenities, while the Platinum and Capstone levels add special comfort, Sport S, and custom settings. Toyota has upgraded the Sequoia Hybrid's performance and capabilities by adding additional Tow, Haul and Tow Plus modes, which enhance the vehicle's towing capabilities. A journey that is both luxurious and comfortable is ensured by the Sequoia Hybrid's elegant design, which is accentuated with performance and versatility. And so, do you think the 2024 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid is worth the price tag? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.